Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Now, Doge has of course been pumping here recently due to the whole news about Elon Musk acquiring Twitter and that being complete, and now the whole shakeup of everything going on there. And a lot of people are just waiting to hear some news about what does Elon Musk do with Dogecoin and Twitter integration. We know that the crypto is going to be involved in some way, more than likely, of course, Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum, more than likely. So how is all this going to play out here? And when is he going to say something or tweet something that's going to be in the favor of everybody that is holding Dogecoin? So this is something that has had a lot of anticipation, and Elon Musk in general was one of the big reasons why Dogecoin really rallied so much in 2021. And now him taking charge there over at Twitter, and that was the original place, the original stomping ground where he was pumping Dogecoin. How is this going to play out now here that after we had seen Dogecoin have a 52-week low back in the month of June, and since then we got some interesting things playing out here at the moment. So now we need to be looking at where are we going to be going here in the short term. How's this all going to play out within some current price movements, and how much of Dogecoin are we going to be retracing? So let's dive more into this right now. So as we're seeing the price of Dogecoin pump right now, Dogecoin did come down within 5 waves. So when we look at Dogecoin back in May of 2021, where it had reached its all-time high, a price that was a little bit under the price of 74 cents, and it had come down within these 5 waves. So it went from the month of May on into June of this year. So May of 2021 to June of 2022, it took to complete these 5 waves to the downside. So there's that possibility now that we're within that next set of waves to the upside. Now, if we're going to be looking at these larger impulses here like we have with the downside, then we currently don't have a actual wave 1 in that larger impulse, but we can look at this and look at these smaller impulses and think about where this could be taking us. So if this was all part of our first wave to the upside, if we were starting a whole new pattern here and we were just breaking out of what we were in before, this is that new wave that's in the works here. So within this wave, we'll then have these much smaller waves within each set of waves. So within this wave 1, what we have is we can look for a possible 5 wave move to the upside. Now we don't have that yet, because right now, if we look at it, we have our wave 1, and we come down within our wave 2, and we're working on that wave 3 right now. And we can call it a wave 3 because from what it looks like, it has pumped above where this wave 1 was. So wherever this is going to take us within this wave 3 could go back and retrace some of these different levels of support and resistance that we had back in April of this year. So if we were to just take it up around that level, say possibly the price of 15 cents as a possibility, and that could be where we see that wave 3 will come down to that wave 4 at some point, and then that wave 5. Then if we were to call this wave 5 the completion of our actual first wave to the upside, then there's that good possibility that this wave 5 could go back and retrace where we were at within that wave 4 when we were coming down to the downside. So if we were to look at this going up to 21 and 22 cents, then that's another possibility. Now that's taking us into next year, of course. So do keep that in mind if this was how things were going to be playing out. So we'll probably see a pretty decent sized price pump here in the short term to complete our wave 3, but do expect that there will be a bit of profit taking and whatnot, and a correction as we work on a wave 4. But this could all just be, that wave 1 from the larger wave impulses that we will also be calculating. So as far as that goes, if you look at those larger impulses, then we'd be looking at retracing a lot of this if this is the start of a brand new pattern currently in the works. So that's where I'm at. So I'm actually just change this color, and we'll leave this all here. So we'll continue to keep updates on how this could be playing out. And then of course within this, we'll also count how this is playing out as well. So if this is a wave 3 that's part of our first larger impulse, then we could be seeing that price go up to around 15 cents as a possibility, I would think. So Anyways, we'll just keep this short right now. I like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. Now, obviously, a lot of what's driving Dogecoin is Elon Musk and that. So do keep in mind that there's a lot of volatility here. Anything could happen, and we could see a lot of profit taken at any point. But I like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. What do you guys think about Dogecoin? Where do you guys think it's going to be going here in the short term? I'd like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all the next one coming out right after this.